Ever wonder what the night could offer you beyond the usual sleep or late night TV? What if I told you that your evenings could transform into a playground of creativity and learning? Tonight, let's delve into the world of night classes and workshops where moonlight might just inspire your next big adventure. I'm Lynn with Life Reimagined with Lynn. Together, we'll explore the enchanting possibility of acquiring new skills and hobbies under the stars, and how these nocturnal activities can add a splash of excitement to your life. In the heart of every city, there's a buzz after dark that goes unnoticed by many. From mixology classes that teach you the art of cocktail making to pottery workshops where you can mold your very own creation. The night awakens a vibrant world of opportunities. Imagine capturing the perfect night photograph or dancing the tango, all in the magic hours after dusk. Each of these classes offers more than just skills. They provide a gateway to new friendships and community. Picture yourself walking into a room filled with potential friends, all gathered by the shared thrill of learning something new. These night classes cater to all kinds of interests and can be found in virtually any city around the globe. Whether it's through the local community college, a private workshop, or even online platforms, there's an array of available options to fit your nocturnal hours. The beauty of pursuing a new hobby or skill at night is the calm it brings your busy life. It's a time when the day's responsibilities are behind you, allowing you to focus fully on what you're passionate about. This is the time to explore, to expand your horizons, and to rekindle that spark of nighttime adventure. It gives life to those lonely, quiet nights, the time of day that many of my clients say it's hardest for them. Why not stop that insidious, lonely cycle and start to reimagine life back into your evenings? If this idea excites you, but you feel unsure about where to start, I'm here to help. Why not schedule a free exploratory coaching session with me? Check out the links below to learn more about how we can uncover the perfect nighttime adventure tailored just for you. As we wrap up, remember the night doesn't just belong to the stars, but to us as well. It's a perfect canvas to paint our passions and dreams. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the night and discover what it has in store for you. You might just surprise yourself with what you can achieve. I'm Lynn, and you've been watching Life Reimagined with Lynn. Thank you for joining me in exploring the magical world of night classes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on any of our adventures. Explore more, dream bigger, and reimagine what your evenings can look like.